every day we scale a new high. Every day we kindle the light, striving with all our might. We are the champions of Garden City. We are the shining stars of the world. With our goals rising skyward, hand in hand we march forward. Together we stand, together we rise, together we win at last. Knowledge that holds. We are the champions of Garden City. We are the shining stars of the world. We are the champions of Garden City. We are the shining stars of the world.
Graduation day is finally make your graduation beginning of a lifetime fulfillment. Let us all relive on a joyous moment at Devamata Central School through a video presentation.
सच्चे दोस्त वही होते हैं जो अच्छे वक्त में आपकी बजाते हैं, और जब मुश्किल वक्त आता है तो वही छिछोरे आपके दरवाजे पर खड़े नजर आते हैं।
लोगों को आते हैं दो नजर, हम मगर मीठी सी वो गाली तेरी, ओ जुदा या खफा है खुदा है दुआ, सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं। मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना। It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. I've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना। धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे तुम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ, तेरा मेरा अफसाना, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं। शाम में धूप में जाने कितने रूप में ये तपी है, ये जली है, सोना बन के ये मिली गलियों से गुजरी है, बरसों सबरी है। यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। ओ बिना यार मेरा जीना है बेकार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो, मोड़ दो, ले लो पैसा, दिल ले लो प्यार, मैनू मेरे यार जीना है बेकार।
Graduation day is a much-awaited day of any student's life, as it returns the effort of their entire academic career. It has deep sense of achievement and fulfillment, and most importantly, it makes them work harder and build a successful career ahead. I would now like to request our principal ma'am, Ms. R. Balaji, to welcome the guests. Where there is a will, there is a way. Respected Chairman, His Excellency Dr. Joseph P.G., Honorary Consul General of the Republic of Maldives and Bangalore, and Chancellor, Garden City University, esteemed School Director, Devamata Central School, Ms. Nanda Kundila, distinguished Vice Principals, Devamata Central School, Victoria Brothers, Rukulakshmi and Ms. Nuri Aisha, dear teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear young graduates, a very good morning to you all. Determination provides the wisdom to look for opportunity in every challenge. Yet another testimony of this rule has been created at BMCS, and here we are in this beautiful morning gathered amidst myriad of challenges to celebrate and honor the accomplishments of yesteryear's tiny thoughts and today's young graduates. I am greatly honored to extend my wholehearted welcome to one and all present in this August gathering on this momentous occasion, which is rightly themed as where hope meets our dreams. A leader is the one who has the capacity to translate a vision into reality. We are blessed to have Dr. Joseph P.G. as a beacon of light who leads by example, inspiring all of us to do our best as ever, even at this time of uncertainty. It's my immense pleasure to accord a grand welcome to His Excellency Dr. Joseph P.G. Benjamin Franklin says, by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. This would not have been possible without crafting a thorough plan. I take this opportunity to welcome our school director, Ms. Linda Coutinho, who is the mastermind behind this finance. Hearty welcome to you, ma'am. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. With diligent and honest efforts of our strong team of vice principals, Ms. Rukulakshmi and Ms. Nuri Aisha, along with the dedicated staff, made this celebration possible. My special welcome to the vice principals, Ms. Rukulakshmi and Ms. Nuri Aisha, and all the members and staff of the APS Vidyalaya. I take pleasure to make a special mention on this remarkable occasion that this proud moment is the culmination of the parents' hard work and extraordinary sacrifices they have made for their happy lives. I acknowledge the commendable moral support of all the parents in this endeavor of making the once innocent kids what they are today. Dear dazzling gems of this wonderful day, I would like to place on record the uniqueness of your impeccable journey, metamorphosing from the little kids of kindergarten to mature young adults as we proudly watch all set to explore the next phase of your life. I congratulate all of you on this remarkable feat accomplished by you. I extend a red carpet welcome to all of you, the young ladies and gentlemen. As I congratulate once again the young graduates, may I conclude with the hopes and wishes of a parent through the lyrics of Bob Dylan. May God bless you and keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you grow to be righteous. May you grow to be true. May you always be courageous. Stand upright and be strong. May your heart always be joyful. May your song always be sung. And may you stay forever young. Once again, my warm welcome to one and all. Hope you all have a great day ahead. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Graduation is only a concept. In real life, you graduate every day. It is a process that goes on until the last day of your life. If you can grasp that, you will make a difference. To take an oath is like taking a road to one's growth. Now, we will have the administration of the oath under the able guidance of our school director, Ms. Krita Coutinho. Students are requested to write. I, a graduating student of Garden City Group of Institutions, solemnly pledge that I shall always be enterprising and committed in using my knowledge and education towards creating a better world globally. Work tirelessly to carry the legacy of my alma mater forward and represent myself as a worthy ambassador for my school's vision of creating dreamers, achievers and winners with an emphasis on life. I shall always keep and personify the values that will finally result in my holistic personality development. I shall always cherish and contribute to the noble principles of justice, liberty, unity and peace in the constitution of my nation and other countries of the world. Switch off the candles. Not just on a roll list, but a part of their life. I would now request Ms. Mumtaz to address this speech. Respected Chairman and Excellency Dr. Joseph Honorary Consul General for the Republic of Maldives in Bangalore and Chancellor Garden University. Ms. Krita Coutinho, Director Administration, Devamata Central School, Ms. R. Great Principal, Devamata Central School, Vidyanagar, Vice Principal, Mughlakshmi and Muni Aisha, members of the teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students of class of 2020-21 batch. A very good morning to you all. At the outset, hearty congratulations to the students of class 10, 2020-21 on your graduation day, the highlight of any student's life. The graduation day is a culmination of 12 long years of study, and hard work. A truly glorious achievement and therefore a time to celebrate and rejoice. It is also a time to remember the good old days, the days of hectic activity, the fun and games, the lively chatter with friends, and the eagerness or sometimes unwillingness to participate in the umpteen activities that made up one's school life, not to speak of the tests, the exams, assignments that somehow or the other seem to catch up on you all too soon. Looking back, you would agree that it was a glorious time. You made friends, learned to adjust and cooperate with one another, be patient and forgiving, and so many other useful lessons. The school ensured that you imbibed the right values of life along with your academics. As we look at you all assembled here, so poised and confident, we, your teachers, are filled with pride and joy at the progress you have made. All the teachers who taught you over the years have formed a deep bond with each one of you. Your nursery and primary school teachers remember with nostalgia and fondness how little you were and how bright-eyed and eager you were to come to school and learn new things. Your high school teachers have seen you through your final years of schooling, and we all have fond memories of each and every one of you as a cherished and loved child with a distinctive personality all your own. Your final year in school has been dramatically different from the previous years and will remain etched in your memory. There were a lot of uncertainty and challenges, but we managed to overcome them all, which proves that nothing is impossible if we set our minds to it. Your years in school are the foundation to build your future careers and achieve your dreams. It is our wish for you that your graduation, your college years, and the years ahead will bring you many wonderful accomplishments and happiness and contentment in life that is so well deserved. Remember, each one of you is a very special person and you deserve the best from life. May all your dreams come true. Stay positive and keep smiling always. And continue to learn, for learning must never stop as long as we live. So, with all good wishes for the upcoming board exam, God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us on the significance of graduation day. We will now have a song presentation by Alonso B. Soli.
My eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me. Yet I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one sees before. But it feels like home. They can say it out on beauty. They can say it out on my mind. I don't care, so far from easy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I the brightest colors with my head, a many dreams are keeping me away. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see, a many dreams is all splendid, a many dreams for the hope that's gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside us filled with a thing from far away. The special things I compare, even that to make
on a rainy day. They can say it all on crazy. They can say, I'm off my mind. I don't care because we see. We can live in the world like we deserve. Cause every night I pray, the boys close to my head. I'm ready for you to keep me away. I take the world to walk with me, a vision of the one I see. I'm ready for you to all gonna take. I'm ready for you for the world you're gonna play. However big, however small, let me be a part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world I see, to the world we close our eyes to see, we close our eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me away. I take the world to walk with me, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all I take. A million dreams for the world you're gonna win. For the world you're gonna win. That was heavy melodious. A teacher takes a hand, opens the mind, and touches the heart. Let us now welcome Miss Geeta to share her thoughts. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Thomas Alva Edison. Good morning. Respected Chairman, Sir Dr. Joseph P. Honorary Consul General of the Republic of Maldives in Bangalore, and Chancellor Badaruti University, School Director Mr. Butino, Principal Ms. R. Balasundari, Vice Principals Ms. Rupalakshmi, Ms. Nuri Aisha, teachers, and my dear outgoing students. This is a proud moment for me to stand before you to share my memories and classroom experiences of the graduating class. Well, the journey began from 5th grade, when for the first time I had been given the responsibility of class teacher for the young, innocent, most obedient, yet innocuous class. This class was very enthusiastic, ever ready to learn, presenting every activity, whether it is academic or CPA, with total dedication. Be it Olympiad exams, ISA activities, sports, and other activities were a great amount of teaching. Next, I was class teacher for this batch in 8th grade. I found that building trust and motivation can work wonders in a student's life. There were a few students who would not waste their time, even during the lunch period. Once they finished lunch, these children would run to the library and invest their time in reading books, aiming to get the library awards. So, the journey from class 8 to class 10 never stopped. Many a times, these children sacrificed their PT classes for social classes. This showed their readiness to learn. The year 2021 was totally different when students had to switch to a different learning experience. But there was no limit for the enthusiasm displayed by these students. They adapted themselves to this new way of learning and cooperated with their teachers. Before I wind up, I wish to remind you about the poem you learned in your primary class. How the little kite learned to fly. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over the survive twice of life. Try, said the big guy. Only try. Or I fear you never learn at all. So children, whether it's your parents or teachers, we have always tried to motivate you to succeed. So never give up all the very best for your upcoming board exams and bright happy future. Thank you for sharing your wonderful memories. Though your school life has come to an end, you will be taking a lot of memorable moments with you to deliver the present. A very good morning to everyone present. Respected Chancellor, esteemed dignitaries, teaching, non-teaching staff members, and my dear graduating friends. It has been beautifully said, translate the good things of your learning into the welfare of humanity. As I stand here, I feel a rush of memories of the happiest years spent in the world. The school catapulted our learning and education. However, most importantly, it taught us the values of life that should stand us in good stead and make us worthy, responsible citizens. It is hard to imagine how the 12 joyful years have passed. Like me, many of my friends have joined these years in the fun, and the collection of these colorful, bright, lovely years of the classroom and play area will always remain special. Transitioning to the primary, middle, and high school years was seamless and easy because the fun elements in learning continued throughout our school years at the experience. Our day-to-day activities were varied and interesting. Academic excellence has always been at the head. However, the school also laid great emphasis on sports, co-curricular activities, and cultural activities. Ensure that the children develop multi-dimensional skills and thus through a myriad of activities like dance, music, and taekwondo. In due course of time, our school also received the International School Award from British Council and was also duly accredited thereafter. Quite notably, NCC has been one of the most extraordinary and outstanding enterprises we have witnessed in the school. The students enjoyed a plethora of activities like camping, touring, which were incorporated as a part of the program. Out of the unseen value-driven initiatives at school, the Honesty Box founder, which was originally the idea of our respected chairman, sir, has taught us the most profound lessons. It has taught us to be guided by intuitivity and pay dutifully the amount in exchange of the item or stationery we were in need of when nobody was watching. Each one of us has revisited these lessons of the Honesty Box founder and carried them in our hearts for a lifetime. How can we ever forget the morning assembly, which has been one of the most brilliant ways to start the day? Every class took turns in making presentations that were theme days defined by a great competitive spirit. The student council elections and ministry of ceremony are other important events that take a special place in our remembrance. The school drove the spirit of democracy in its true beauty and we underwent the full-fledged process of conducting elections. National events such as the Republic Day, Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day are well defined in our memories for the meticulous planning, preparation, and teamwork exhibited during the programs. Our school has increased in the value for value-driven education. It has successfully carried the mantle of life-defining characteristics to make us better equipped and better prepared to spread our wings and explore our potential. Thank you everyone for making this journey so beautiful by collaborating with us at an intellectual and emotional level. Goodbyes are very. However, this isn't the last time we are meeting. And next time whenever we do so, we wish to see each other living the lives we have always lived. Have a great day.
Yes, indeed, the most beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you.
On this most special day of your life, we want to let you know how proud we are of you. We have seen you grow from a little child to a young accomplished girl. With all the best wishes and blessings from all the teachers and staff, we would like to begin with the handing over of mementos. I request the class teachers to call out the names of the students and request our school director and principal to present the mementos.
Works hard and is deep in her work. She loves to sing and aspires to become an IAS officer. She is friendly, expressive, and loves laughter. She wishes to serve mankind by becoming we have no plans to wrestle the energetic abundance. She is an enthusiastic and sporty girl. Her ambition is to be one of the most successful dietitians. We are totally ecstatic to welcome the talented disease with us today. She is graceful, lively, and an excellent dancer. She wants to specialize in the field of dance. And such as obedience, studious, and skill and drawing. She aspires to become a She is a confident girl, eager to participate in class activities, and loves writing as well as public speaking. She aspires to become a gynecologist. She has a lovely figure with heart today. She is efficient, studious, and very dexterous at drawing. Peter aspires to become a very charming leader for the grand occasion. She is friendly, helpful, and an active participant in the home. She aspires to join the Indian Administrative Service and make her parents proud. We hereby give a hearty welcome to our very dear Vijana Vijaykumar on this grand occasion. Vijana is very talented girl and she excels in academics. She loves drawing and aspires to take up business worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a very warm welcome to the very friendly Manasi. She is a good singer and has an artistic writing mind. She loves art and craft and wishes to take up medicine as her field of study and teaching. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a very warm welcome to the very lively Sahana. Sahana is a cheerful and friendly girl who loves to sing. She aspires to become a biotech engineer. We hereby give a hearty welcome to the elegant Sanjana today. Sanjana is a good singer, loves dancing, and has a flair for creative work. She wishes to become a We take immense pleasure in welcoming the lovely Saraswati today. She exhibits great inclination towards drawing and dancing. She aspires to become an immediate designer for Let's join our hands to welcome the very spirited Shreya today for this session. Shreya is a studious girl and is a very good singer and dancer. She hopes to fulfill her dream of becoming a Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the energetic Sneha today. She is a good singer and has a pleasing personality. It's her ambition to become a teacher and educate the children. We are absolutely delighted to have the very charming Tanzeen with us today. She is jovial, studious, and loves to draw. Her aspires to become a national celebrity and makes her parents proud. We hereby give a happy welcome to the very graceful Vatsala. She's quite friendly and has passion for joy. She sees herself as a brilliant artist herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please extend a warm welcome to Adina C. He is a dear boy who loves to read among authors. He admires the people of the world. Let's join our hands together to welcome Avinash Giri for the lovely occasion. He is skillful and very enthusiastic about sports. He aspires to join the crime investigation department in his future years. We hereby give a hearty welcome to our very dear Aditya S. He is bold and has passion for the game of cricket. He wishes to excel in the field of We are happy to welcome Alonso Sony today. Alonso is enthusiastic and eager to learn. He loves to play sports and aspires to become a Olympic doctor. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Anish Chandra for the beautiful occasion today. Anish is a talented boy who loves to play guitar and hopes to become a cartoon We take immense pleasure in welcoming Asha today. Asha is a friendly boy who is interested in sports and hopes to become a We are very happy to welcome Austin Chu for the lovely occasion today. Austin is energetic, active, and loves to play sports. He aspires to become a lawyer. We are absolutely ecstatic to welcome Silver Village of the Service. He is creative, bold, and brilliant. It is a pleasure to become a popular actor. We are so happy to welcome Divesh Jain for this wonderful occasion. He is a very talented personality and has a special love for music. He aspires to become a pilot. We hereby welcome Mohammed Sameer on this musical stage. Mohammed Sameer is a national football who is very good in some of the He aspires to be an Olympic athlete. We totally related to welcome Harsh, grandparents. Harsh is enthusiastic about football and has a birthday celebration. He wishes to become a software engineer. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to our very dear son Sabu. He is a very good boy, loves to play, and is very good
We take immense pleasure in welcoming Kavan to this special occasion today. Kavan is a friendly and a cheerful boy who is enthusiastic about sports, especially football, and wishes to be a data analyst or a computer architect one day. We are absolutely ecstatic to welcome Karthik Joshi for this wonderful occasion. Karthik is friendly, good-natured boy who loves sports and music. He is a very good singer and wishes to be a chemical engineer one day. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a very warm welcome to Kaustuba. He is a deep thinker and loves to play sports. He sees himself as a successful pilot one day. We take immense pleasure in welcoming Kushal today. He is very smart and has a passion for cricket. He dreams to excel as an international cricket player. We are totally elated to welcome Mahant for this wonderful occasion. Mahant is a good singer, loves sports, and is always eager to participate in all activities. Interestingly, Mahant wants to become the principal of a college one day. We're totally elated to welcome Nandan for this wonderful occasion. He is a voracious reader of the fiction genre. It's his dream to join the Merchant Navy one day. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a very warm welcome to Niranjan S. He is emotional by nature, really loves to play football. His ambition is to become a software engineer one day. We are absolutely ecstatic to welcome Prajwal for the wonderful occasion. He is a friendly, good-natured boy and is a very enthusiastic about sports. He has the towering ambition of becoming a scientist one day. We take immense pleasure in welcoming Ritesh today. He is very mingling student and excellent at sports. He sees himself in the shoes of a professor one day. We are totally ecstatic to welcome Mohammad Shamim for the beautiful occasion today. He is a bright and a studious boy who loves to spend time doodling and drawing. He aspires to become an astronaut one day. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a very warm welcome to S. Ragul today. He loves sports and has a very friendly nature. He wants to make his parents proud by becoming a doctor. Let's join our hands to welcome Sagar A.S. today. He is an intelligent, hard-working boy who loves singing and wishes to take up research work or engineering. We take immense pleasure in welcoming Surya for this wonderful occasion today. He is friendly and very insightful. He loves to edit videos and hopes to become a successful editor one day. We take immense pleasure in welcoming Vedant on this wonderful occasion. He has a special love for the sporting field and his ambition is to become a successful sports person one day. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vignesh A for the lovely occasion today. He is a realistic, intelligent boy who loves to draw and paint. He wants to make his parents proud by becoming a scientist one day. We are absolutely delighted to welcome our very dear Yashas today. He is smart, confident and loves to play badminton. He aspires to become a badminton player and wants to represent his country at an international level.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, dignitaries. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loud more than you know. As the curtain comes down, let us end this session with the vote of thanks. I invite Ms. Rupalakshmi, Vice Principal, to propose the vote of thanks.
Hearty congratulations to the students on this momentous occasion of your graduation day. It's my great privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks at today's graduation ceremony. I immensely thank our esteemed chairman, His Excellency Dr. Joseph V.G., Honorary Consul General of the Republic of Maldives in Bangalore, and Chancellor, Garden City University, for constantly guiding us. I extend my sincere and heartfelt thanks to Ms. Vrinda Coutinho, Director, Administration, Devmata Central School, for being here with us this morning and for her encouragement in all our endeavors. I thank Ms. R. Balasundari, Principal, Devmata Central School, Vidyaranipura, for her motivation and timely advice. I thank Ms. Noori Aisha, Vice Principal, and all the members of the teaching and non-teaching staff for their support. I also thank parents for their affection and unstinted cooperation at all times. And finally, I thank our dear students for their enthusiastic participation in today's function and for the love, respect, and high esteem they have always shown to their teachers who strive to teach them and inculcate good moral values in them. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The two hardest things to say in life are hello for the first time and goodbye for the last. Remember, this is your school and you are always welcome. All the best for your upcoming exams and bright future, children.
Now, I personally thank one and all present here for making this occasion memorable and successful. I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Students are requested to follow the routine and disperse to the
Respective classrooms to hand over their gowns and then to the lobby for snacks. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend.